everyone to another episode of Fey Fitness. Today we're going to be back on our yoga mat, this time working our low back muscles as well as our glutes and hamstrings. So this exercise I'm going to show you today is called a Superman, and it's an awesome workout. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Tuning in today, everyone. As you saw in the introduction, today I'm going to teach you the basic Superman exercise. This is a fabulous workout to work both your mid and low back, your glutes, your hamstrings, and occasionally I find a client who has really weak delts that this will help strengthen those a little bit as well. So let's go ahead and bust out our yoga mat and dive right in. So for this exercise, we're going to start out on our stomach. And the goal with this is to be completely flat on the ground. Our arms are extended and our legs are extended nice and straight. We are then going to raise the arms and the legs as high off the ground as we can for as long as we can. So typically I have clients hang out here for as long as they can at first, and then eventually we build them up to say a minute 30, and then we start adding more intense progressions from there. So I'll give them like dumbbells, and we can do floor presses while we do this, or other things to make it a little bit more advanced. So the main things you want to think about with this are the legs are straight and up and back as far as they can behind you. The arms are up. Try to keep your shoulder and arm parallel with your jaw or your ear, ideally. You're looking straight ahead with a nice straight posture. For you and for the camera, I will be looking at you. But this is what good form should look like, and we just hang out here. You should feel it all along your low back, your booty, and your hamstrings. Again, if you have weak shoulders, you may start to feel the delts kind of get a little cranky with you, and that's a-okay, that's perfectly normal. So, thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will see you next week for another Fey Fitness video. So until then, bye guys! Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. I really appreciate the views and the support and the community that we're forming here on my channel. If you would like to watch another great video, please click on either side of the screen here to watch either a popular upload or one of my most recent videos that I've uploaded. And as always, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments down below of any video. I check this channel very often and try to stay up to date on everything. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my new content. So again, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure getting to know all of you, and I hope to interact with more of you in the future. Until then, bye guys.